While you're waiting for people to find you the old way, your customers have already moved on. Stop marketing like it's 2015. Your customers are already searching, comparing, and booking everything on their phones. They aren't flipping through directories anymore. They're searching for plumber near me or AC repair open now. They make decisions fast. If your company isn't easy to find online, they move to the next option. The customer journey now happens on a phone. They look for Google Maps, strong reviews, and website speed. You need an optimized Google business profile, recent reviews, and a mobile-friendly site that loads in seconds. Think about a homeowner with a broken furnace. They aren't spending 20 minutes doing deep research. They call the first company they trust online. If they can't find you instantly, they call someone else. Where do most of your leads come from right now? Referrals or Google? Comment below and let me know. Your customers have changed how they buy. Your marketing must evolve with them. Don't get left behind. Visit digitalmarketingcoach.com to build a digital system that meets customers where they already are. Grab my free customer journey checklist for home service companies at digitalmarketingcoach.com today.